Hello guys, today I will tell you how you can add your product on Daraz website. So for that you have a couple of things, but before starting let me request you that please subscribe to my channel and like this video so I will come up with more videos for you. So let's start now. First of all, we need a title of your product, highlights and description. Let me walk you through all of that. Title is a keyword which people look for the product on the website. So for example, we have a red t-shirt. So I have added a red t-shirt keyword in the product title with some more attributes of that product in the title. So it will stand out among all other competitive products. Then we'll come to the highlights. Highlights are the features of that product. For example, in this t-shirt thing, I have mentioned that you can do a hand wash, the fitting of this t-shirt, and different sizes and the colors are available. So these are the highlights of this product. In any other case, if someone is selling a hands-free, then he can add the highlights like the color variation, its compatibility with different devices, the length of the cable, like that. These could be the highlights of that product. And when we talk about description is the more detailed version of highlights and how a client or customer can use that product. You can also add more keywords in the description, so anyone is looking for your product will come on the very first page. So it is good that you will write a detailed description so the customer can read each and everything about the product, and if he has any question about the product, it will be clear after reading the description. So now let's jump into the Seller Center. Now here you have a dashboard of a Seller Center. You just need to put your email address and a password and then press the button of sign in. After sign in, you will have this interface. You need to go on the left side of the button. You need to click this add product button. Now in this product name box, you need to copy the product title and paste it there. Now you will see category suggestions. And Daraz algorithm finds the nearest category of the product, which is on the top here. You can select it from here, or if you're not satisfied with the category, you can click here and then select the category of your own. Now in this box you can insert the link of YouTube of your product, but it's not mandatory, not necessary, you can just skip it. Here you have to put the brand name of the product. If your product does not have any brand name, you just need to click here and put no brand here. Now as our product is a t-shirt, here we have to select the model height. If you're not sure about the model height, you can just select no model, or if you know about the height, you can select the height. I have selected here. Now you have to select the size which model is wearing. My model is wearing medium size, so I select medium here. And let me tell you one more thing. In some other products like electronic products or grocery or kitchen items, you will not see this box. There will be another box with some more attributes or different kind of attributes, so you do not need to panic. You just need to select those attributes which match to your products. It's super easy. Now in highlights, you have to copy the highlights which we have already mentioned there, and then paste it here. You can do some formatting here as well from these buttons. Then come down, leave this box empty, and in this description box you have to copy the description which you have write for your product. Copy it from here and then just paste it here. Again, you can do some tweaks here as well. Now let's talk about this box in which you have to write what the customer will have in the parcel or in the box which you are going to send when he will order something. So in our case, we are selling t-shirts, then I will write t-shirt here. Now from here you have to select the color family. Our t-shirt is in red color, so I have selected the red color. Now I have to upload the pictures. Make sure that the pictures you are uploading are of the good image quality and the standard size, which is at least 500 by 500 megapixel. I have selected the pictures and uploaded here. Here you can say that see that this is the main image of my product. But if you are not satisfied with this main image or a thumbnail image, you can always change it by selecting the another image, clicking it here, and then drag it here. Now customer will see this image on the list when he will search for the product. Now let's come to the sizes. My product is available in small, medium and large, therefore I will select the international size. I will check this box and then click on the drop down box. Currently I have small and medium, so I will select small and medium, S and M. Whereas if you have large or XL or double XL, you can always select that. For now I am selecting small and medium. Now in this box you have to input the price of that product. For example, I am selling my product in 500 rupees or takas, so I will input 500. Here, if you want to give a special price, a discount or a promotion, you just need to click here, give a special price, and then the start date of that special price. I'm starting it from today and my promotion will end on 10th of April, so I will select 10th of April, click on OK, and then confirm it. Now here you have to input the quantity, that how many number of items you have in your stock. I have 20, so I will input 20 here. Now if you want to input the same in all these tabs, you just need to click here, copy the first to the rest. So you can see all the entries are automatically pasted here. And let me tell you, there are more drop down boxes where you can put more information, but currently I'm just telling you the basic things. So when you will be expert in that, you can just drop down and input more the information about your product. And here you can see the star, red star as well. It means that you have to put information which is compulsory. You cannot skip that. Here it's asking about the warranty. If your product contains warranty, then you can select any option from this. Otherwise, if you don't have any warranty, then select no warranty. Now here you have to input the weight of your product. For example, if your product weight is 1 kg, you have to simply write 1. But if your product weight is half kg, you need to put 0.1. 0.5. It is equal to half kg. But in my case, my product is about 400 grams or 0.4 kg. So I will input 0.4 here. Now we have to input the package dimension. My product will ship in the flyer of 28 by 24 centimeters. So I will put the exact size of that flyer, and the height will be approximately 3 centimeters. So I'll put 3 here. Now before submitting, you just need to review all the details, that you are not skipping anything or not put anything wrong here. Double check it. All seems good. So I am clicking on submit button. Now this page will appear that your product has successfully been published. So you need to press done button. Here you can see that the product we have just input is available here, but it's not visible for the clients because QC, which stands for quality check, it is in progress. It takes almost 5 to 7 working days to get it clear. After once it is done, your product will be visible and you can see a tick sign here. You can always deactivate your product from here. So I hope you understand how to add the product on Daraz. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button and also the notification bell button. And if you have any question, do write me. I will try to answer you as much possible as I can. Thank you very much again.